Hey guys, Tony Bwagas here at Christus Hwc, and I wanted to share with you a couple of tips for you beginners that are looking to kind of get into the club but don't really know exactly what to do. So I have two pieces, one strength, one cardio, that is an amazing start to your fitness journey. So the first one, let's start with strength. Anytime that we're learning a strength routine or strength exercise, it's always good to work with machine weights first. This way you have a guided motion that the machine provides, and you have stable padding that you can utilize to make sure that we're minimizing as many errors and common faults to a certain exercise. So for example, as you can see here, I'm doing a seated chest press. Now on this line of machines, they use air pressure as resistance, so it's very, very simple to adjust the weight using the plus or minus button to really find that accommodating weight. So easy motion back and forth through a chest press machine, and you can go down the entire line that way, so it's totally safe and gives you that sense of confidence to progress into other exercises via cable exercises or dumbbell or free weight exercises. Now the second part is cardio. I love the bikes, especially recumbent bikes, as you can see here, where we're actually seated in a recumbent position. This minimizes as much stress off the joints as possible, but still giving you great cardiovascular benefits. So this is a great starting point, and you can see here, all it takes is a click of a button, hitting the green go button to get started. And then from there you can adjust your speed, you can adjust your incline, and go for as long as you want and get an amazing workout. And then from there you can progress. You can progress to an upright bike, you can progress to an elliptical, you can progress to a treadmill. So like I said, these are just some beginner tips. I'm not saying this is your journey. You can choose whatever you'd want, but this is some of the things that we recommend here at Christus Hwc. Again, if you want any information, if you'd like to talk to any one of our trainers, any one of our fitness specialists, just call us, 236-7777. Thanks and have a blessed day.